What is the...
/UHC. It's okay, I'll never cross team with someone else.
What even is on? It's like pretty like basic, I think. Yeah, there's nothing crazy.
Team killing is allowed. We may or may not be using this. Oh, we're not close to 0-0 at all.
We're 900 out. On the side, great.
This sucks because there's so much.
Don't worry, here. I have 342 on my C counter. That will save us.
How do you have more than me? I only have like 2.
I'm looking like down into the jungle, like to the west, and that's where I'm getting it.
I got 327.
I'm getting like 355 is the highest. Oh, 361. 363. Say 365. Oh my god.
That's a 330.
My character is 1 pixel to the west, and that makes the difference. Wow, I really like how every team is in call in this Discord. It's us and then changes team. That's it. Everyone else winning DMs.
Yeah, they're not even calling another server. They're just like messaging each other in game.
They're not even calling. They're just messaging.
Yeah, everyone else is just /PM.
And they're still gonna win. They just play so much you would say they can just read each other's mind, know what they're gonna do. Is there solos?
I think so.
Cause is this the round that said if you don't find a team you're gonna get put as a solo or whatever, or was that a different round? Because I know there's a round coming up that said that. I don't know.
"20 seconds. Let's go."
There are 2 people on tab that have 1 person for their color, so who knows?
That just means we gotta 2v1 them.
Exactly, that's the 2v1.
You would not believe what an iceberg did to my ship.
You fish. That's my response. Is Timber on?
Loot
Oh,
crates.
Timber is on. Perfect. Oh, yeah.
I got a prot 2,
I got a
let's
gap.
go.
Oh, yeah, it's OP loot crates as well. So.
Oh, true.
Interesting. Oh my god, we can take damage.
I'm gonna turn you up and then turn down my game sounds.
I already have 6 stacks of wood.
I have 7.
Nice. The jungle biome goes crazy. I'm like freezing to death right now. I cannot move my hand fast enough to do crafting.
Yeah, this game's certainly gonna be something.
My hand is literally not moving the speed that my brain is. It just doesn't cooperate. Time to cut down this whole jungle. Oh, my axe is already gone.
Goodbye.
And I already have.
Oh, so much sugar cane.
I already have 9 apples. Jesus.
It is not TI. I might need some of those apples.
Yeah, I already have 10. Yeah, I'm gonna make another axe and just get like 20 and then pass you off. I guess I'll just do wood or whatever. I don't feel like going down to get more stone.
I'm using the sweaty no block breaking particles.
Oh.
It's so weird because blocks just seem like they like you mine them and they just kind of float.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I don't know how to describe it. I'm not good at describing things, but it's really weird.
Okay. Here we go. 19, 20 apples. I see. Yeah, there's a lot of cane.
You might need to come my direction because I want some of those apples.
Where did you go?
Alright, I'm using the lunar team view right now.
Oh yeah, I should turn that on.
I know where you are.
Team view. I always forget to turn that on in matches like these. There you go, I know where you are. Incredible. Usually I just have them off because I don't play like try-hard rounds other than like this in Universal. So like I don't care.
We need to win. Also, there's a pumpkin over here. I'm getting that.
If we win though, is that a village? Interesting.
It's outside of the border.
Is it actually?
Or is it? It actually
No,
might not be.
it's in the border. It's in the border. There's a swamp here.
It's mostly out of the border.
I don't know. Alright, can I just not see border? I don't know. Maybe that's the reason. Oh, my render distance is also at 6. That might be the problem.
Oh.
Yeah.
Infinity book for 7 emeralds. Oh, that's a drop.
Oh my god. The villagers tried to trap us. 8 gold for an emerald. What a good trade.
What if we just got infinity?
Well,
Alright, there's a farmer. Is there any crops?
Someone died.
Are they all? Oh, they're all outside.
There's one bit of potatoes and carrots here.
But yeah. Is there a coal? I don't see like a coal one or anything like that.
There's like nothing. I don't know.
What?
Oh, there's a coal one right here. 17 coal for an emerald.
I don't understand. Okay, well, let's go get coal, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna cave under here. I want to get infinity because I think it's funny.
That would be funny, but I am also terrible at bow. But hey, I won't be just giving the enemy free arrows like I usually do. I'm gonna go to the other cave. This one, I see coal target.
All the villagers like followed me into the hole.
They really want to trade.
Rest in peace, Iron Man.
It's worth it for the infinity.
Is a good trade, though. That's like 2 stacks of coal.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, we're caving together. This is the truly sweaty gameplay.
Exactly. This is what they expected when clicking on Overhaul Live Season 1. For the 0 people that clicked on Overhaul Live Season 1.
This is... People be like, Overhaul, what's that? Oh yeah, the concept is that every season, the winner gets to choose the next scenarios.
Yeah.
I have 40
I'm
right
in
now.
another round that's very similar to that. Except they get to create custom game modes.
Oh. I was in, the original Overhaul, and the first season I actually did pretty well, but I forgot to hit record, and then the second season I did not do well, but my recording, thankfully, was, like, a slideshow, so...
Great.
It worked out.
You didn't get the good one, though.
Yeah, I was Mole. It was my first Moles game.
I've never gotten moles in an RR. I've never actually gotten to be the mole.
I have a stack and 12. Yeah,
I
I
have
was mole.
39.
Basically, my team was kind of sweeping, but we eventually like it got down to just me and like Rohan, Smash
Yeah.
Bro.
Supply drops.
And I poison potted them, killed them with Bulb, and then me and Bulb fought, I think it was like Fry and Fry and Faust, and we both drained each other, and then Flint the solo ended up winning.
Great.
Because he had like, oh, it actually would have been closer, but the issue is like Immortal dropped to Flint, like.
Great. I'm putting the pumpkin on for now. Oh wait, I don't have the stupid remover.
I have a stack and a half.
I have 50, so we might be able to just get it.
What if we both got it?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'd be down.
Both get it, we both don't even get a bow. Don't have enough string.
We're not even gonna get string. In that case, we have no chance because we don't even have rods. The only thing I'm good at in this game is rod. It's a cleric. Where's Coleman?
I've gotten like better at stuff. I just like cannot do cave fights for some reason.
Yeah, I'm not. I mean, I need space to be able to rod properly, so I'm not good at caves fights either. Here's the cool guy. I got 2 emeralds. Nice. Is there any other caves quickly around here I can go get? Also,
Lapis, yeah.
animals? Question mark.
I have enough for 8 books.
Okay.
Alright, I had that Prot 2 book. I kind of forgot about it.
Wow, so many chickens. That's gonna come in useful later. Once we have infinity, definitely gonna be useful.
Oh, I have all the iron stuff. We should be getting coal soon.
Yeah, I have 2 emeralds, 16 coal, and I'm on surface because my cave went nowhere. But I think I do see another cave over here somewhere.
Yeah, I have a bit extra, but I think I just need to start caving now. I don't care about coal.
Yeah, I mean, are we still going for the infinity?
Yeah, I just have enough coal.
Okay.
There's just so much lava everywhere.
Do you have enough for like 1 or?
Yeah, I have enough to make.
That's fine, honestly.
To make 1 infinity.
Honestly, I just found 1,000,000 cows and I'm in a swamp. I can get like $1,000,000.
Yeah, I'll try to cave for actual things
Resources,
so that we can
yeah.
use those books.
Because we're gonna get full iron. We're not even gonna need enough for an enchant table.
Yeah.
This is a dark oak. Interesting.
Issue is I probably should have got a chords blocker, but whatever.
My chords blocker is a very funny gif that I made myself. It's like a joke between my friend group. So like anytime my friend group joins the stream, they just see that.
So anyway, how you doing?
I'm doing quite fishful. Okay,
Nice. Yeah, I've not done a lot of stuff today, but whatever.
I've not. I like have literally done nothing.
I found diamonds.
Incredible. I'm gonna go find a cave. I have 15 books.
Yippee.
Oh my god, more coal that I will not be mining. Did I
I
already?
found more diamonds. It's an 8 vein. Okay. Nope, it was a 9 vein.
Jesus Christ.
Alright.
Well, watch, we're gonna get like super stacked.
Yeah, then we're gonna drop to 2 full irons.
Exactly.
Alright, I'm making a sword.
That's about what I'm
because-
expecting to do from like most teams. Okay, this cave goes nowhere. Can I find a cave that goes somewhere in this plains, please? If not, I'm just gonna go down. Plains biome, give me something. Cave. How many diamonds did you get?
I have 6 extra right now after making a sword and the enchants.
Okay. And I just got full iron. Gonna throw these out.
Short 3 diamonds, yippee.
Jesus Christ.
I could very realistically make a P3 piece too.
I'm gonna turn my sounds up so I know if I'm getting dug on. I can hear players. Gold, no way. Loot crate, it's time to get a prot 4 piece. Prot 2 book, okay.
Oh, nice. I got 7
I'll
apples.
take that. Isn't that what you got your first one?
What?
Prot 2 book, or whatever. Oh,
Yeah, I got
bye
that.
D-Joe.
Good fight.
I'll mine no diamonds, but I'll get 1,000,000 gold.
That is usually how my Arctic games go.
Same.
You just get a ton of golds, but no diamonds. Or actually, no. It's
Perfect to
My
drop
Arctic
even
game-
more healing.
my Arctic games are always hit or miss. Like I always either mine a ton of diamonds or mine nothing.
That's usually just my UHC games in general. Either I'll mine nothing and my team will mine everything, or I'll mine everything. And then my team also usually mines everything, but then we're just stacked. Do I don't.
My cave is leading me towards border. Yippee.
Okay, yeah, I walked a bit away from border, so it should be good. Oh my god, hello? I can't right click. Jesus. Three gaps. How fun.
I'm full prot.
Interesting.
I just made 2 prot 2 books because I'm dumb.
Nice.
Oh well. I just want to find like one more diamond vein. Oh, and I stripped mine into diamonds.
Nice.
Okay.
There's a vacuum outside. I can't hear a thing.
I have 14 now. That's what, like,
I am.
not enough for mid, but I don't know.
Great. He just got kicked. Nice. DJ was banned from the round.
I just found more diamonds,
Oh
dude.
my god! What is going on?
It was only a 2 vein, but still.
Oh my god. It's literally episode 1.
Bro. I don't want to actually get stuff. Now when I die, it's gonna be even, like, more
No,
dumb.
then we'll find. I mean, we'll still. No, we'll drop to a full iron team. That's what's gonna happen anyway. I don't know why we didn't go down there. Oh, my skeleton! Don't break my Iron Man. I still have Iron Man.
I'm about to be out of books.
Well, I have 15 still.
You just gotta go up now.
How's your gold been doing?
I have mined 11 golds.
I have 5 gaps. You mine the diamonds, I mine the gold.
/ PM veins. Oh, I just found an 8 vein of gold. It's all good.
Oh.
23 diamonds.
Jesus Christ. You must have the diamonds that I have gold.
Bro.
Oh my
I
Iron
swear
Man!
I'm not X-raying.
No, don't shoot me.
X-raying in a live round.
You would never X-ray.
That is true.
You've never done that before.
I would, yeah.
You would never X-ray.
Definitely not. Listen, my footage for that got deleted. I don't know where it went. In my defense, I kind of threw that game anyway. I just remember
What was
after
it?
rewatching it.
Is that-
Skies?
yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Was that Paradation, right? Or
Yeah.
what was that? Yeah.
Skies asked me if I wanted to 1v1 when they were on like 40 with no healing, and I didn't see it.
Diamonds! Oh my god.
Go.
Why is there 2 baby zombies? They're guarding the diamonds. 4 vein.
Nice boots. Oh wait, team killing is on. I'm gonna make KB2. KB2 wood sword time. Let's go.
Let's go. That Paradation was such a good season because that's also the one where me and I think it was Jerry, right? I don't know. Fell in that cave. Or was that a different
With
one?
Camcart and Shaky.
Oh no, that was I don't remember. I'm mixing up all the Bard rounds. Because they're all the same thing. Because there was also 2 last second UHCs that were very funny.
Dude, this KB2 wood sword, it's just not giving me knockback.
It doesn't want you to.
I hate when I can't boost my teammates. I don't know. I've literally never used KB2 before. I just remembered it was a thing.
Yeah, I never use KB2. Oh, I'm at border. How fun.
I'm gonna go up.
Okay.
I want to get this Infinity book. But I also... The issue is I need string. I have 1 string.
I want to get like 2 diamonds to get sword and boots. That'd be nice.
I have 1 diamond for you.
Okay, then I only need a 1 vein. Surely I can get that. Surely the game will give me a 1 vein.
True. I am finding more cave now. Actually, I see wood. Somebody was here. Were you
I
by
was
any
using
chance-
wood, so maybe.
It is jungle wood, so it
Okay,
is
that's
probably
that's
you.
probably me, because I was using jungle wood. I've been using a mix of jungle wood and cobblestone.
Okay, I probably should go up now, but... And I'll probably find a sheep on surface.
Unfortunately, we did not get the mine shaft.
Yeah, I have 2 gaps right now. This is so dumb.
I have 6. Stop picking up the redstone.
Not taking this seriously, and then I caved, like... Then I caved... this.
23 diamonds.
Before PvP, too.
Exactly.
This just scares me, because I feel like now people are gonna, like, also cave that.
Yeah, is that just... does everyone just have full diamond immediately?
It is 2.5 cave rates, but it's also 40% removed,
Yeah,
so, like...
so you shouldn't have that. I feel like you just got lucky. Oh, I just lost my Iron Man. I'm gonna kill somebody.
Unlucky.
Rest in peace. I managed to place the water and then pick it up before I hit the ground.
Alright, Coal Villager, where you at?
He got eaten by a zombie. What the? Okay.
I have 5 emeralds. Please tell me there's another Coal Villager. I need 2 more. I have enough. Oh, I don't have a book.
Oh.
Oopsie.
I can head up right now, I guess. Unless you... I mean, you can probably just get a book up there, but...
Yeah. I just need cows. I have the sugar cane. I honestly just need, like, surface mobs in general. So let me just casually make a Prot 3 chestplate.
Exactly. Okay, my cave ended, I think. Finally.
I found cows. Yippee.
Oh. Okay.
Good fight. Slash supply drop.
Another
One is
solo.
actually like really.
Do you want to go for that, or?
There's one that's like 150 away.
Okay. Should
I could very.
I mean, you could go for that, or I could head up and we
I'm
can
gonna
both
just.
go for it.
I think it's already been there, so I think I can just try to grab it and then
Okay. I mean, yeah. If you can just run, I can dig up if you need
I
me
see
to.
someone full iron.
Should I dig up?
Sure. They're going.
Okay. I'm just gonna dig up then.
It's Ben IDK.
Okay.
Or Kerm.
My cave's done anyway. I'm not finding anything. So I'll just come up for now at least. When even is
Yeah, I don't know if he
20,
sees me.
21 minutes. Yeah, I'm assuming absorption's off. Oh.
I mean, he just like dips, and I don't think he really like wants to fight me. So I'm just gonna grab the supply drop.
I doubt
and
it.
head back.
I do want to enchant as well.
Oh, there's a rod here. 4 diamonds.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm heading back.
I'm gonna have to get some sheep while I'm up there.
How many diamonds do you have? Or just like gear in general?
I got 4 diamonds on me and 5 gaps,
Okay.
3 gold. I did not get very well.
I can get you a sword and like a helmet.
Yeah.
Or if you want the chest plate, and then I go helmet legs.
I would like a sword if possible, honestly.
Yeah, I'll just take enchants diamonds.
Oops, I just threw that.
Okay, I'm gonna go I'm gonna go grab the infinity book. Do you have any string?
String? No, I have no string.
I have 1 and a
Okay,
rod.
yeah, I'm crafting a shears.
I did not find like any sheep.
I guess I'll do boots and sword. Actually, let me see if I get like diamonds from this or something. A diamond chest plate! Oh my god. Okay. Well yeah, I'll definitely do boots and sword then. And then we have 2 extra.
Alright, it's 1 per villager.
Okay.
Oh, I missed the MLG. That's sad. But we do have infinity now.
Yeah,
no string, but just the random infinity book.
okay, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I need to do that. Ooh, sharpness right off the bat. Let's get my sword going then as well.
I'm just gonna toss all my healing stuff and split.
Okay. Here, you take that.
Alright.
I have 5, but it doesn't really matter too much.
Yeah.
Can I get... I can't get another sharp book, so I immediately have... I should probably enchant my armor first, though. Actually, I'm just gonna...
Yeah, I'm assuming we just need to go caving and also find string. I'm gonna leave you with the stuff, and I'm gonna go for the supply drop that's neg 360 neg 920 or whatever.
Okay. Yeah, I do just need more XP to get sharp 3. I'm gonna quickly try to get some sheep while I'm up here as well. Because then I can just quickly... Oh, there's an Enderman here.
I see the drop.
Jesus Christ, this Enderman is slow. I got a pearl. That's nice.
Gosh.
Oh, spiders. Give me you spiders, please.
I have 3 diamonds. You can get you a sword. Also have a rod.
I have a sword.
Do you have any more diamonds left?
Yeah, I have 2.
You can get you a helmet.
Okay, then I'm 3/4. Oh, okay, another team kill.
Yeah. Dude, why can I not make emojis?
Come on, give me some more spiders. I don't even know what's night. My texture pack is strange. It is night, because I think this is the night sky.
Yeah, you have, anvil and stuff, right?
Yeah, I got anvil and enchants.
Alright. Yeah, I'm just
Do you have, leftover string, or...?
I have 1 string, still.
Oh, okay. Well, I have 3. Should I get a rod or bow?
I have a rod for you, so get a
perfect.
bow.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a bow then.
An enderman here.
Luck of the sea. How fun.
Oh, I see someone.
Oh,
They're
do you?
digging up right here. Yeah, there's a person digging up literally right here.
Okay, hold on.
I think it's Chrissy Eubank.
That's solo, isn't it? Yeah, that's solo.
Yeah. On him on 53.
I'm a bit behind, so watch out.
Yeah, I don't have a bow. Got him.
Nice.
Okay.
There's a bunch of...
That's
there's a
really
jockey
unlucky
going
for
through. Interesting. Unfortunately. Oh my god,
I
that's a
have
lot of gold. That is so much gold. That's like 2 stacks.
Oh, he had sharp 3 and a power 2 bow. Oh, he had tons of power books. So this is valuable.
That's like 2 stacks of gold, by the way.
Okay.
That's a stack and a half of gold. Do you have the head? Do you have the head?
I do not. I don't know where it is.
Yeah, take
I
these
actually
boots. They're
might
prot
have it.
2.
That was certainly something.
Okay, I have 16 gaps and a head.
Okay.
So, how much gaps do you have?
You just take that. Also, can I have 1 for a
1 for...
Get a sharp 4 book.
Did you get that? Or is it in...
Yes.
Okay,
I
here.
have 2 sharp
Take
3
that.
swords and a sharp 4 book.
Jesus Christ.
Which means sharp 5 is like a thing.
Well, I mean, I also need... I can get sharp 3, but...
Oh yeah, just take the book actually.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on my sword.
Can I have a
I need XP though. I have 7 diamonds extra. I can craft leggings, I guess.
so you're just full?
I'm not... I don't have a helmet, but
Oh,
we'll both be 3/4.
Yeah, do you mind if I have an apple real quick?
Yeah.
Actually, can I have like a ton of apples?
Yeah, there you go. I guess I'll do the let's craft leggings and then we'll... Jesus Christ.
So, do you have anything for bow?
I have 14 string.
Oh, nice.
Do you need string?
I just need to make 1 power 1 bow to reset the durability.
Okay.
Because it's like, also, take that pickaxe.
Okay. There's someone here.
Oh, I got... It's immortal. Mortal and rye fry with like nothing. Oh, I'm stuck in the water.
Okay, I have my bow.
Shot immortal. Yeah, I'm like all prot.
I'm literally, my helmet is unenchanted.
I don't think this fight is like worth like. I mean, we could. It is a kill.
It's a kill, but
We
like,
may both rush you.
Shot immortal. Yeah, they hurt.
Yeah, I just have no proj.
I also never got I don't have XP to combine my power or my sharp 4.
Alright.
Like, we need a cave as well. Because I need XP bad. I don't know, I just don't know if this is worth it, honestly.
Yeah, like, let's just leave.
They're chasing. There's someone to Sokol right here.
What?
Right here to our right. It's Sokol.
Red arrows. I'm picking up the table.
Oh yeah, I have an extra. Wait, they're split up,
Oh, what?
Immortal's here solo, and then, yeah.
Oh, Rifra's right here. Rifra's low.
I'm going for Wi-Fi.
Mortal's gonna backstab you. Turn.
I need a gap. I do have a pearl. I forgot about that.
There's so many mobs.
Oh my god. Oh my god. There's so many mobs.
This is weird. Oh my gosh, skeleton. Nobody
Okay,
likes
now
you.
they're running.
Person behind us. I'm assuming that's.
Not Sokol.
Is that? You just like.
Dijo's there too. Dijo's there too. Yeah.
I think. Do you want to just like leave?
Yeah, we need to honestly just need to get out of here. But
I'm just gonna cross over here. I lost like 6 gaps.
same. I'm down to a gap and a half, or not gap, 3 gaps and a half.
Sokol's across.
Dijo's crossing. You just alone over here?
Sokol's like over here.
Dijo's dead.
I'm
Got him.
dead. Sokol, watch out. Or like, yeah, I got really low.
He's at 30 or 37. I used my pearl on Dijo just to get him out of the way. He dropped his healing. I have 5 gaps to heads.
The Rifry team's back.
Of course they are. Why is there so many people here? Jesus. Oh, I'm getting stabbed.
Oh, what? There's okay. We're
There's
split.
grass. I'm running over to you. Oh
There's
my
so
god!
many people here.
We need to
What?
leave. I'm getting murdered by strategy.
I'm hopping in a cave.
I'm probably dead then.
Yeah. Sorry, there's just like.
I dropped you. That's unfortunate. Why is there so many people at border? What?
Oh, dude, I almost killed Sokol. I got him to like. Oh,
Unfortunate.
man.
I don't know. Why is my
Hey, we
scoreboard
both got a
off?
kill
Oh,
though,
no.
and
Oh,
he
that's
just
fair.
died. Okay.
We both got a kill. I mean, I'll take that. That's better than I thought we'd do, honestly. Rest in peace. Why was there so many people at border?